to Henry, and we're going to do Halloween edition. And we're going to do experiment from Halloween, and it's Sunday with a blind experiments day. So we're going to get started. Pins and needles, also called the magic bag, and you need pencil, crayons, a plastic bag.
And what are you going to put inside the plastic bag? Water.
Water. My mom filled up a bag with water.
What are we going to do next?
We're going to put these pins in the pencil crayons.
Okay, but what do you think is going to happen?
Water's going to leak out everywhere.
Okay, let's try it. Go ahead, you got to stab it through. Yep, you got it. Ooh, okay, well maybe we got lucky. What do you think? What happened? Did any water come out anywhere?
No.
Okay. Oh my goodness, try another one. That's crazy. That's pretty magic, right? Look at that. Okay, I'll hold it for you. You try another one. Oh, what? Okay, maybe that's a weird one. Let's try it again. Let's try another one.
Yeah.
Oh, some water. Keep pushing. Okay, now hold up the bag for me. Let's take a look at it. Let's show the boys and girls, all our friends, what happened. Can you spin the bag around for us?
Oh my God. Look at the water. There's not any water.
That's crazy. So do you know why that happened? Did you expect that?
No.
So what's the bag made out of?
Plastic.
Exactly. And plastic are made out of polymers. So what polymers are, they're basically...
Can I pick up the pencil?
Well, we can, but then the water's going to come out. Do you know what basically happens? So when you stab the pencil through the bag, the polymers like move apart, but the polymers are super flexible because the bag feels very flexible, right? And what it does, it makes a temporary seal. So you put the pencil through the bag, the polymers are going to push back towards the pencil, and they're going to form a seal around the pencil. And that's the reason why the bag doesn't leak. So what do you think? What's going to happen if you remove the pencils? What do you think is going to happen? Uh-oh, there's the water. So are the holes going to remain in the bag, you think?
The water leaking.
Yeah, exactly. So your holes are going to remain in your bag because you push the polymers aside and allows the water to leak out.
I'll get paper towel. The balloon gets bigger. Inflating pumpkin. But you need balloon, a funnel, bottle, baking soda, and
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Pour our vinegar into our bottle. So use this here.
Yep. Over that. Okay, hold this one.
Yep. Very good. Okay, we'll take our funnel out. Very good. So now what we're going to do is we have our baking soda here. And we're going to have to take the baking soda. Vinegar smells?
Gross.
Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to have to take our balloon. And you're going to put the top of the balloon over top of the funnel. Okay. Now you take the baking soda and dump it all in the funnel. Perfect. Now you shake the funnel till all the baking soda goes down into the bottom.
Now I got my balloon and the baking soda is right.
And we take it off.
We take it off.
Okay, now this is the tricky part. We got to put it on here without dumping it in.
And good.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready? Anytime.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's still off. It's making it go bigger.
Yeah, why? Because what are you mixing? Because baking soda is a...
Chemical.
Yeah, you're making a chemical reaction. So the baking soda is a base and the vinegar is an acid. That's why the acid kind of stunk like that. And you're going to be mixing them together and it's going to make a chemical reaction. Exactly. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Does it dump it?
Yeah, you pick the balloon up and just dump the baking soda in. So do you know what's happening?
It's making air into all the peroxide. And it's getting a bunch of air in here.
Yeah, so we dump the baking soda with the vinegar and that makes carbonic acid. And then the carbonic acid falls apart and it makes carbon dioxide.
Ooh! Floating ghost! The flowing ghost or the flowing teabag. And your parents need to help you with this one because it's real fire. It's dangerous. You need 2 tea bags. The thing where you make the cookies on. Ask your mom for help.
So what are we doing first?
We're gonna cut the tea bags like that.
We empty the tea out?
And empty the tea out. Gross.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do the other one. Uh-oh.
There's your tea bag. Perfect. Do you want to draw a ghost on the tea bag today?
I want to do a face ghost. You're gonna have to ask to do the tea bag up on fire. You need your parents to do it. Oh my god, look at the ghost is melting. Float to the ceiling! Is it hot? Look for Poppy video!